Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials points. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Prosperity Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.prosperitybankusa.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Prosperity Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the sign in to online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in to online banking option, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the Enroll button. After you click on the Enroll button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials and click on the Submit button. Once you click on the Submit button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically enrolled into the Prosperity Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the Prosperity Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.